Topic is for grade 9 students. This time we'll be discussing the topic sum and product of the roots of a quadratic equation ex squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, where the sum of the quadratic equation is given by the formula negative b over a, and the product of the quadratic equation is given by the formula c over a, where b is the coefficient of the linear term and a is the coefficient of the quadratic term, while c is the value of the constant, and then a is the coefficient of the quadratic term. Example, find the sum and product of the quadratic equation x squared minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. So, before we can solve, or we can find the sum and product of the quadratic equation, we have to write the coefficient a. So, from the equation, a is automatically 1, and b from the equation is equals to negative 2, while c has the value of negative 3. So from the formula, sum of the quadratic equation is equals to negative b over a. And then substituting the given, that is negative, our b is negative 2, then divided by our a is equivalent to 1, so that is negative multiplied to negative, that is positive, so that is 2 over 1, and sum of the quadratic equation is equals to 2. While the product is given by the formula c over a. So our c here is negative 3, and our a is equivalent to 1. So the product is equals to negative 3. Okay, so we'll have another example. Here, find the sum and product of the quadratic equation x squared equals 10x minus 25. Since the equation is not in the proper quadratic form, we have to transform other terms to arrive with the right quadratic form. So we have to transpose 10x and negative 25 to the left side. So it's x squared minus 10x. Negative 25 transposed to the left side, it becomes positive 25, and then we place 0. So we can get now the values of a, b, and c. Here our a is automatically 1, is equals to 1. Our b is equals to negative 10, and our c is equals to 25. So from the formula, sum of the quadratic equation equals negative b over a. Substituting the value as negative, our b is negative 10 divided by our a is 1. So the sum is negative multiplied to negative, that is positive, so 10 divided by 1, or equals to, the sum is equal to 10. While the product is given by the formula c over a. Substituting the values, our c is 25, and our a is equals to 1. So the product here is 25 divided by 1 is equals to 25. I hope you understand the discussion well.